name is Edwin Johnston. I'm owner of Cutting Room Creative in Nanaimo, Canada. And today I'm super excited to share with you some of the latest products from KMS. This is our new range called Conscious Style. Today I'm going to be working on my model's nice layered bob haircut. We're going to blow dry her hair with the Multi-Benefit Spray. And then we're going to finish with the CONSCIOUSSTYLE Styling Putty. This is a great product that's normally used on shorter hair, but I'm going to show you how to encourage your layers to show off texture, shine, and manageability all with one product. So let's get started. So let's start with the Multi-Benefit Spray. I'm going to spray this in at the roots and work it through to the mid-lengths and ends. It's a product that doesn't get heavy on the hair, so I can use it liberally and use as much as I want. The more I use, the more texture and the more density I'm going to build into the hair. I'm going to blow dry the hair with my Varus stem and brush and my Varus blow dryer. Cut a slightly concave fringe, which means it would be shorter in the center and a little longer as we work towards each side. So it's basically going to have this kind of U shape to it. So now that I've finished cutting the fringe, I'm going to go in with my THERMASHAPE 2-in-1. I'm going to respray lightly. And I'm going to go with my Varus flat iron and just redefine that fringe. So what I'd like to do now is take the CONSCIOUSSTYLE Styling Putty, and I'm just going to take a little bit onto my fingertips. I like to apply it in 1 or 2 goes, not one large amount. Finish with a little bit of the 2-in-1. I also like to use it as a light hairspray. I like how fine the application is. So that's my look today. I hope you enjoyed the fringe getting cut. I think a nice concave fringe technique is a great technique to master. I hope you enjoyed seeing what the CONSCIOUSSTYLE line can do. And I'm just going to get my client just to give her head a good shake again. And we'll see how that just all falls into place.